game.
Oh yeah.
It comes with Genesis Roadtrack, Warhorn W3, and Genesis Roadtrack V3. So
Super cool.
I'm gonna play
see
two.
the backing?
Yeah, that's
So
pretty
I'm gonna play two.
Comes with how many?
Oh, 4. 3 are 6 times 3. So
Super cool.
I'm gonna play
want to see
two.
the backing?
Yeah, that's
So
pretty cool.
I'm gonna play two.
Scissors. Ah. You don't work with scissors. Fine, I'll open that. Yeah, you can help me. Okay, thanks for watching our video. I hope you subscribe. And this is Genesis Roadtrack versus Warhorn. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
When you be that quick.
Thank you, Dana. Warhorn versus Genesis Roadtrack. I hope you subscribe. And thanks for watching our video. This is the last part. We go up the stage. Off camera. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh, okay. It works about stamina. Whoever runs out of stamina first loses. Okay, come on. Oh, he's gonna win. He's a stamina. He's better. Or balance. I don't know. So it looks like balance. I'm gonna say balance. Ah. Come on, Genesis Roadtrack.
Come on, Benji! Do
I'm looking
it!
at speed.
Stop!
I'm looking
You
at.
stop. You don't stop.
No!
Yeah, Cheyenne won. How's it
Okay.
feel?
Next round. That was just.
I told you to
Okay.
stop. I am the winner.
Giant! Stop it! That's not over.
Jade, you need to calm down.
That's
Calm
just
down.
round 1.
She won.
Still round 2.
No, stop now, please.
Okay,
Stop.
if you want to see what this looks like in real life.
That thing is so
I
cool.
know.
Look at mine.
That thing is so cool.
Let it rip. Third round.
There we go.
Third round.
Oh, who won?
First finish. Winner.
Yes, good job.